Good evening. I've been listening very patiently to my esteemed fellow panelists. If I could please get a courtesy of 2 minutes of uninterrupted time. Thanks very much. Now, I think the RBI should mint currency that has Arvind Kejriwal's watermark on it. It is the quickest way to nudge people to go completely cashless. In fact, instead of our gods and goddesses, we should have our politicians' watermark on the denominations best suited for them. So Kejriwal for rupees 420 denomination, Yogi for rupees 108, Amit Shah for rupees 370, Rahul for rupees 353, Mamta for rupees 50,000. For it will make it easier for TMC leaders to store all the black money. And Modi for, no, actually Modi shouldn't be on any currency note because it might get demonetized. No, but to be serious, this is a clear attempt at politicization and trying to win Hindu votes. Desh Prem curriculum, giant flags, roadside Hanuman Chalisas, free pilgrimage to Ram Temple. Kejriwal has been trying since 2019 to be Chhota Modi. Except that inside, he is Bada Owaisi. Let me give you just a few examples of what I mean. He recently called a film depicting Kashmiri Hindu genocide as jhooti. His government fought for years legally to oppose regularization of Kashmiri Hindu teachers. He didn't want the Ram Mandir to be built, saying his Nani would never have approved. He shared a cartoon that depicted Lord Hanuman setting fire to JNU. He tweeted an image where a man with his party symbol is chasing away a swastika symbol. He backed his minister who called for attacks on kafirs and perpetrated the anti-Hindu Delhi riots. He still hasn't sacked his party leader who held a conversion gathering that was derisive towards the same gods Kejriwal now wants on currency notes. So people can see through this facade. But to come back to this very quickly, number one, why did Kejriwal mention only Hindu gods? Why did he not mention the Sikh gurus or Jesus Christ or the Holy Kaaba? This must be asked of him. Number two, what also must be asked of him is that in a country what he calls secular, why should a state currency bear religious symbols or figures? Or does he not understand what secular means? Complete separation of church and state. Number three, I personally have no issues on having gods on currency notes, but then in the interest of pluralism, there would be soon calls for having gods of other religions as well. And to be honest, rightly so, Congress already has asked for Allah on currency.
So the justification Dr. Ranganathan he gave for that was that India's economy is performing poorly and hence these symbols will bring prosperity and make India number one.
So that is even worse because that shows that he is being superstitious. Someone please ask him, is our constitution wrong when it says we must have scientific temperament? And here he is saying that if you print some watermark of gods and goddesses on currency notes, it will bring prosperity. If that is the case, then Punjab that is in debt for 2 lakh or 3 lakh crore rupees should be all fine if we start printing the gods and goddesses on currency. So this is a complete facade. But where I do want change, and just 10 seconds, is that we should have other Indian icons on our currency notes beside Mahatma Gandhi. And prominent among them should be our great scientists who we have long forgotten.